No. Welcome back to Films. Today we will be making glow in the dark slim. So we're gonna great for fun.
Sam, we're gonna switch over this camera, make the slime, all that good jazz.
What you doing?
Are we filming on this? Okay, we got some glue. We got some lotion.
We got some of this
Magic dust.
We got a
spoon.
We got a measuring cup.
Spoon.
Yay.
And some water. So now we're gonna make our. We already have a bag open of the magic dust. And then
Okay,
you gotta
now.
mix it up real good.
Don't mix it up and let it that shit. You're pouring. Sorry.
Actually, kind of cool shot.
Sorry, camera.
No, to zero.
Kind of glue. Put your glue in. As much as you like.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Oh, by the way, if you want this glow-in-the-dark glue, you can get it at Walmart.
Walmart.
Look,
Walmart
it
is our
says
store because we shop there because we're
new, great for slime.
Meanwhile,
Arcade shirt.
Check her back. Gotta stay still for that, Dawn. Sorry. This is not promo. Not promo. We're on to the next step, and we're gonna put some magical dust borax into the mixture.
Borax.
So here you go, Katie.
Here's
Here's
our
no,
magic
just put like
dust.
a little bit of it.
Don't put a lot. Do a little bit at a time.
Okay, that's good. No, put
Our
that back.
magical dust borax. Now mix your
Really well.
stuff. Make sure you only use clear stuff to make this into slime, so it actually glows afterwards. Just keep mixing.
That's not a lot of glue.
Let's
I
add
think we need some more glue. Yep.
Yeah, I didn't add a lot. Darn that. Okay, we need some more magic dust stuff. Borax.
Magic mixture.
Yeah.
Borax.
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 Okay, so now pour that. Sorry. Okay, now we got our magical borax in there. Okay, so now we're gonna add some lotion. We're gonna add some, not a lot of lotion. Body wash. Body wash. I mean.
Okay, open
lotion,
it up.
whatever.
Open up.
Open it up a little. Put some lotion. Not a lot, unlike Ryder did.
I'm sorry. I tried. Boof, boof, boof.
It's the lotion. Slime. Here's our slime. Don't you make it a little bit better? But once it looks like,
Can I touch it? Oh yeah, that's pretty good slime.
once it looks like this, you just gotta keep playing with it.
We'll come back when it's done being played with.
Here's our final product of glowing slime. Here's the glue in the dark, by the way. So it does glow. Here's the glue.
Look, my hand.
Here's some more.
That's my hand. Hi.
This is the blue, the green, right here.
Then there's also pink.
Pink, I think it fell.
Oh, it's
no,
right
it's right here. It's kind of orange, but this is actually pink.
In the
See, they all glow.
Here's the light. How about we go turn on the light?
So we got these at Walmart.
See, look.
They weren't expensive. They were new, and they're great for slime. Washable, safe, and non-toxic. So, really.
Like,
Doing this
subscribe, and hit that notification button to go ding, 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 ding. And, ooh, I tooted.